Hey there YouTube, this is my small but proud Airsoft Armoury. Here's my UK Arms L96. It has a 3x9x32 scope. Here's its one mag. I have two stocks for my R71. And I have an extra mag for an R71 because my other one broke and that's where I got the other stock. I have two batteries for the R71. Like I said, my other one broke, so I have two batteries for it. Here's the silencer for the R71. Here is my JLS 2021 electric blowback Glock. Here are 5,000 .25 gram BBs. They're exact precision. Here's like around 1,000 .12 BBs. Here are, and I have two glasses, and that's about it. Oh, and I also have three chem lights. They're all orange, I believe. Please comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.